Hey, what's up guys? So today's video is going to be a pretty interesting one because I'm going to be doing speed comparison between these two watches, Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 3. And the reason why I'm making this video is because the processor on Galaxy Watch 3 is actually 3 generations old processor, because Samsung put this processor not just in Galaxy Watch 3 but also Galaxy Watch Active 2 as well as Galaxy Watch. So the processor used in Galaxy Watch 3 is Exynos 9110. It's a 10 nanometer processor, whereas Samsung developed a new W920 processor for Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, which is a 5 nanometer processor, so theoretically it should be faster. And also Galaxy Watch 4 comes with double the storage at 16 GB as compared to 8 GB on Galaxy Watch 3 and 1.5 GB RAM as compared to 1 GB on Galaxy Watch 3. So all of these have their benefits, but we'll see how much. So I'm going to be comparing features that people use every day. So things like launching apps, changing widgets, and changing watch faces. And just for fun, boot up speed as well. So let's get started. We are going to turn them both off. So let's boot them up. 1, 2, 3. I felt the vibration quicker on Galaxy Watch 3, but we'll see which one launches first. It looks like Galaxy Watch 3 is ahead, but we'll see. And there we go. We have watch face on Galaxy Watch 3. It's connected to internet, but we are still waiting for Galaxy Watch 4. It's slower. So Galaxy Watch 3 wins this one. It's actually much slower on Galaxy Watch 4, not just few seconds. It's good 10 seconds, I would say. Alright, now next up I want to launch several apps and see how they both do in app launching and how fast they are. So we will go in the app drawer here and app drawer here. Now on Galaxy Watch 3 I will launch the Galaxy Store, whereas on Galaxy Watch 4 I will launch Play Store. Slightly faster on Galaxy Watch 3, but Galaxy Watch 4 caught up as well. Now you have to remember that there is a difference in software on both of these devices as well. Galaxy Watch 4 is running on Wear OS, which is much heavier and data intense as compared to Tizen OS on Galaxy Watch 3. So that could also factor in when it comes to things like speed and performance of the software on these two watches. Now let's continue to launch more apps so we will have a better idea. Now I will launch Samsung Health. It was faster on Galaxy Watch 4. Settings, almost together. Let's launch browser on both of them. Faster on Galaxy Watch 4. And finally let's launch calendar. And once again almost together on both of them. So pretty neck to neck performance when it comes to app launching. Next thing that I want to compare between these two watches is how quickly you can switch between apps. So I've configured these buttons on both of them to launch recent apps from where we can quickly switch between apps. So it's a short press on Galaxy Watch 4 and double press on Galaxy Watch 3. So now we are in recent apps and we'll see how quickly we can switch between them. So we go in settings, short press, double press, and now I want to switch between Samsung Health. So browser always takes a little bit longer on Galaxy Watch 3, but other than that I think they are both neck to neck once again in switching between apps. Alright, now moving on, let's see how quickly you can add a widget on both of these watches, and for that we will scroll to the right in widget section and here we will add. So here I will add reminders, same widget on both of them, so let's go. So both of them added at the same time. Now you can tap on it to go into the reminders. Let's try again and add one more. Now I'm going to add health summary on both of them and we'll see how this goes. So almost at the same time. So this is added here as well. So if I tap it, it will launch the full one. So almost neck to neck when it comes to launching widgets as well. Next up, I want to see how quickly I can launch Bixby on both of these watches. So I have set it up as a shortcut to these buttons here. And then I will also test how quickly you can call up Bixby by just saying Bixby. Anyways, let's launch it by using the button first. So it was quicker on Galaxy Watch 4. Let's try again. Takes a bit more time on Galaxy Watch 3. And now I'm going to call out Bixby and see which one responds faster. And there you go, they both actually responded. Anyways, let's go ahead. Bixby. Faster on Galaxy Watch 4. Let's try that again. Bixby. So now let's ask Bixby for something and let's see how quickly it comes up with the response on both of these watches. Bixby, what's the weather like right now in London?
In London, it is fair and 11 degrees right now. It is fair and 11 degrees right now.
So quicker on Galaxy Watch 3. Let's try another one. Bixby, set an alarm for 7 AM tomorrow morning.
I have set your alarm. I have set your alarm.
So that's actually surprising because it's doing tasks and coming up with responses much more quicker on Galaxy Watch 3 as compared to Galaxy Watch 4. Now this could also be due to the fact that Bixby is a Samsung product and Tizen is a Samsung product, and Galaxy Watch 3 is running on Tizen, whereas Galaxy Watch 4 is running on Wear OS. So Bixby has a hard time dealing with Wear OS as compared to dealing with Tizen on Galaxy Watch 3. I don't know, maybe that could be the reason. But anyways, let's try one more. Bixby, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Your timer has started.
So it comes up with a response faster on Galaxy Watch 3 but starts the timer quicker on Galaxy Watch 4 and that's actually very interesting to see. But anyways, that was Bixby comparison for you guys. And finally, the last thing that I want to compare is how quickly you can change the watch face on both of these watches. So if we long press, go to the next watch face and tap on it, it's much quicker on Galaxy Watch 4 as compared to Galaxy Watch 3. So let's try again. I mean, it's straight away on Galaxy Watch 4, but it takes a bit of time getting the time right on Galaxy Watch 3, and that's where the delay is. So that's about it from this video, guys. That was the speed test comparison between Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and Galaxy Watch 3. You can decide for yourself which one is better and faster and was ahead. I feel overall Galaxy Watch 4 is a better device when it comes to performance and speed as compared to Galaxy Watch 3, because when you're using these things on a daily basis, you can feel the clear difference, and Galaxy Watch 4 users coming from Galaxy Watch 3 or Galaxy Watch Active 2 will understand this difference better. Anyways, that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.